Hi, everybody, and thank you for your interest in the Dreaming Your Home course. My name is Frank Yeager with Yeager's Consulting, and this is the exact process that I take my clients through whenever we're working. I'm working with them to help them get the home of their dreams. Um, so, real quick, I want to walk you through the process, what's included in the course, and so that you can make an informed decision as to whether or not you want to go ahead and buy this course and participate in this process. So, first off, is contemplating the vision. This is you'll get an introduction, and this whole initial part is about discovering the elements that really constitute your dream home. What does your dream home mean to you in this phase of your life? Second, contemplating your intentions is about getting a list of wants and needs and narrowing that down into a good prioritized list for you to move forward with. Submitting your aspirations, this is where you start to make a decision as to whether or not your dream home can happen in the home you live in. The you'll hire a designer sometimes, and you will have them come in and they will look over your house, look at the your wants and needs list, and see if that's possible for in your home or how much it's going to cost to be able to accomplish in your home. And then it's about decision time. Are you going to be able to get your dream home in the home you live in, or you're going to have to look for a new home? Building your vision is if you can actually do renovations and get your dream home in the home you actually live in now. We're going to create specifications, compile the construction documents, find a contractor, and we have some warnings as far as certain things that you might expect whenever you're getting ready to do renovations and what think that all is going to entail. Discovering your vision is in when you can't actually create your dream home in the home you live in now, and you need to start looking around for other homes that more closely match what your dream home really looks like for you. So we'll use those specifications that you created before to create a blueprint that helps you in your search. Then you're going to start checking listings. We're going to go through how exactly you would go about doing that to sort of figure out the price range, and so that you can hone in and adjust your wants and needs list to make achieving your dream home more affordable. Then you're going to hire a buyer's agent. You're going to take all the information you've compiled thus far, you're going to hand it to them, and then they are going to come back with a set of listings, and you're going to dial it in, and that's where you're going to look at the listings that they sent you and talk back and forth about them and say, okay, this is what I like, this is what I don't like. Polishing the diamond is when you find a listing that is really close to your dream home. It's not likely to be perfect. This is a diamond in the rough. So we're going to have to polish that thing up. So you'll circle back to your designer and you'll have them take a look and tell you what it's going to cost and what's going to be involved in turning this into your dream home. This may happen a few times until you finally find the place that really, really does it to make your dream home a reality. Live the dream. That's where we are done with all this process, and you have the home of your dreams, and you are ready to move forward to the next phase of your life and prepare for change. Is about realizing that your dream home is for this part of your life, and as you go through each phase of your life, your needs will probably change for your dream home, and so you're going to repeat this process and be able to then tweak it and get the home of your dreams for that time of your life. There's our checklists, there's interview questions included, and more. If you ever need support or anything like that, all you'll have to do is click on the support link on your dashboard, and you'll be able to send us an email and ask us for help. I'm going to sell this for $497. But for now, because I want to get this out there to as many people as possible and help as many people as possible, I'm offering this for just $7 a month. You, if it's not everything you thought it would be, you just cancel. We'll give you your money back. You can cancel it at any time. If you want to use it and 6 months down the road, 3 months down the road, a year down the road, you decide, I don't need this anymore and I want to cancel, you're free to cancel anytime. You're never obligated to continue a membership, and we'll just close the account. Um, and that's it. So thank you again for your interest. If you're uh, ready to get started, just click on the go ahead and fill out your information and click the buy now button, and we will see you on the inside.